Why does your scanner show the P0787 engine code? What does it mean? P0787 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift or timing solenoid low. The P0787 engine code indicates a voltage or electrical problem with the vehicle's automatic transmission shift or timing solenoid. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty shift solenoid, damaged wiring or connectors, low or contaminated transmission, fluid, clogged fluid passages, faulty control modules. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet and Hummer. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel